how to instantly change colors when duplicating objects. So let's go to our shading tab, then add Shift A, color ramp, then lock the color to the base color. Let's add a new color ramp. So 1, 2, 3. Let's add some here. 4, 5, 6. Last one. Alright, so let's change the colors of these. So this one to yellow. You can choose any color that you want. So this one to light blue, or sea blue or cyan, or tapestry blue, however you want to do. This to red. You can choose whatever color that you want. Okay, let's increase this a bit. From this to let's so and this to alright, good. So now for us to be able to duplicate this, let's add Shift A, object info, and then duplicate it to have different colors associated with it. Object info, random, then add the random to put the random to the color. Where Shift D changes colors. Shift D changes colors. Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D. So yes, this is how to instantly change colors when duplicating an object in Blender. If this video was useful to you, please kindly hit the subscribe button and catch you in the next one.